Hello everyone, well garlic season is here, so today I'm gonna show how you can make delicious fine dining wild garlic soup recipe with mushrooms and poached eggs. So take a seat and let's get started. I start with the soup. So I chop some onions and fennel for my base first. And then I gonna roast it on vegetable oil and butter together. Next, I come in fennel seeds in. Then cover it with water, season it with salt and pepper and leave it to cook slowly until veg will be soft. Next, I will do easy wild garlic chips. So I put some garlic leaves on the plate and then goes inside the microwave for around 15 seconds. And chips are done. Now I mix chives with ricotta cheese, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna use it later on for my garnish. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I totally recommend you do it so you can learn more about fine dining cooking and ask me your questions. In this time, our onions and fennel soft, so I put some double cream in and bring it to boil. Then I'm coming in wild garlic leaves and bring it to boil again. Last step is to blend everything in the machine. And if you wanna get your soup super smooth, just pass it through the chinois. Check the seasoning and wild garlic soup is done. Now I will do one poached egg for my garnish. So just bring water to the boil, make vortex and put whole egg in. And in a few minutes I get perfect poached egg with soft yolk inside. And last thing I have to do are roasted shimiji mushrooms. So I'll pick some cut the bottoms out so they fit nicely on the plate, and I'm gonna roast them on the pan until I get nice brown color. And if you like today's recipe, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Season them with salt and pepper, and I'm ready for plating. I start with poached egg in the middle. Also season it with salt and pepper. Then is coming ricotta cheese with chives. Roasted shimichi mushrooms. Few wild garlic chips. Fennel tops, and finish it with violet flowers. And delicious wild garlic soup is coming into the jug on the side. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about fun and cooking at home, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.